Hi, my name is Jacob Gertz. I've had a spinal cord injury for 17 years now. I have friends all over the country that are on all different systems, so the cross-play ability of Fortnite is just so convenient. I use my left stick and right stick with my palms, so I just run, I move my character with my palms, and then if I have to hit ABXY, I just slide my hand off and use my thumb to click ABXY. I also have this button wired to left trigger on the adaptive controller. So with this button, I can click it, it'll stay down. Then I can have my scope up and look with both sticks. I also remap left stick and right stick click to the big buttons. It's hard for me to get downward force on my controller, so it's easier for me to just quickly slide my left hand off and tap those things. I also have a little push button for right bumper because it's, again, just easier than taking my hand off and trying to squeeze it with my index finger. And then I have my mouth trigger, which is wired to right trigger. So I just keep it in my mouth. Always use these Control Freak joystick extensions. Keeps my hands up and away from the controller. I try to look for any button style in general, whether I encounter it on a controller or just in life somewhere, like the button you push for the elevator. It's like, well, that button kind of feels smooth and nice. Like, I wonder if I can find that online. And then, with the adaptive controller, you can just buy 3.5 millimeter jacks and wire. And as long as it has a on or off, you can wire it up and make it work. It's just a matter of finding the products now that will, make the setup a little bit easier. Connecting with people too is like I meet other disabled gamers online and kind of see what their setups look like and then steal if I see something that looks like it would work great for me. You can find me on Twitch currently, but anywhere Gerta75 is the username I go by.